Hey everyone, I'm Reveler here. Today I'll show how to fix the failed to establish dependency error in League of Legends. First, let's open the Start menu. Go to Add or Remove Programs. We need to uninstall Vanguard here. Let's remove it now. Then restart. Try launching the game. The launcher will ask to reinstall Riot Vanguard. Do it. Sometimes there's a power-related issue. For this, open Start and type Power. Yeah, change the power mode settings. Yes. Let's go in. Click Additional Power Settings and then USB Settings. You can disable USB settings here. Also, set it to high performance and hit apply. That's all, folks. Hope this helped you out. Like and subscribe, please. Have a good night, everyone. Good luck to you all. See you later.